What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Congratulations to all my fellow Tell stockholders. As expected, we got another deal announcement today during market hours. This deal is huge partly because it involves Shell and also because now we've had 3 deal announcements and a lease agreement extension done in a matter of a few months. I personally think this deal significantly de-risks investment in Tellurian stock because I feel like this latest deal with Shell more or less secures this project. But all is not done, of course, and we still need to secure final investment decision. I just think financing should be a lot easier now to achieve. We ended the day today 9% up, and we're another 3% up in aftermarket hours. I think Tell stock is a steal at these prices. They should easily be a $7 stock right now. But I'm definitely not complaining. I just got paid today and I'll be buying more shares. In the short term, a pullback is entirely possible. If we don't get any more positive catalysts in the next few months, the share price could drift lower, but who cares? I'll be buying more if it does. The fundamentals have never been better for this company and I'm excited about the future. One interesting thing to note here is that today when the Shell deal was announced, we did not even get half the volume that we got when the other 2 deals with Gunvor and Vitol were announced earlier in May. So that could mean that we may end up getting that volume tomorrow, which should hopefully allow us to retest or even cross the recent high of $5.72. So here's the press release in case you missed it. US liquefied natural gas developer Tellurian Inc said on Thursday it finalized agreements to sell LNG from its proposed driftwood export plant in Louisiana to a unit of oil major Royal Dutch Shell plc. The agreements are for 3 million tons per annum for 10 years, indexed to gas prices at the Japan-Korea marker JKM, the Asian benchmark, and the Dutch Tidal Transfer Facility TTF, the European benchmark. Now, with the Shell agreement, Tellurian has finalized 9 MTPA worth of deals, which is nearly all the capacity of the proposed 27.5 MTPA Driftwood's first 2 plants. Tellurian now needs to focus on financing Driftwood in order to give Bechtel notice to proceed with construction in early 2022. According to Shell Energy Vice President, LNG demand is expected to nearly double by 2040. This deal secures additional competitive volumes for our portfolio by the mid-2020s. So overall, today was a really good day if you're a Tell stockholder. Right now, it's not about the short-term price action, but rather the actual actions that the company is taking in order to secure financing. Tellurian stock has the potential to be a $50 stock in 5 years' time, and that type of gains don't come often, which is why I'm invested in this company. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.